check this out. This just came in the mail today. I ordered a skin for my phone, which I recently cracked and the casing's fucked up. So I took it off, and then my cousin recently bought a skin for his phone too. So it's from a website called DBRAND. It took like about a week to ship from US. The cover is so cool. So I'm gonna do a little bit of unboxing. I want to show you guys how the skin looks like. It says here, it's not a product, it's a culture. Perfect. Bear with me. Oh my god, I'm not gonna lie, this is like so much pressure. So they give you like this cloth for you to wipe the phone. So a skin is basically different than a casing. The skin, it sticks on your phone, for those of you who don't know, because I initially thought when they say skin, it's like just another word for casing, phone case, but it's completely different. Yeah, so this is the website that I ordered from, Brand. So this is the skin, let me show you. I think it's called Swarms. So I have to basically manually stick it onto my phone. They have a YouTube channel just for this, so I'm gonna try it. Can you imagine? Yeah. Yeah, so I'll be right back. I need to figure out how to do this first, and I'll get back to you in a bit. Hi. Okay, so part 2 of the video. Got the tutorial on my computer. A hairdryer finally. Good to see us update. Thank you so much. It says I need to actually wipe the back side of the phone. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually quite nervous. I just hate screwing up and I don't want to do it over and over again. So it told me to take off the bottom part and stick it onto the bottom part of the phone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Skin on the camera card, I managed to do it perfectly. You can see, job well done, easy. Now I just need to align the holes with the camera. It looks alright. I'm quite happy with that so far. I'm supposed to heat this top part up. I don't know how hard I'm supposed to do it. Wait, what? Oh. So now I'm supposed to do the left side. So that's done. Now I'm supposed to do the left side. Oh, I need to do the same thing for the bottom part too. But I've done that. Oh, okay. My phone's actually getting hot from that, but I just need to apply pressure. Hey, I'm actually doing a really good job. I am freaking impressed with myself. Do you guys see that? Wow. I surprise myself sometimes. I'm supposed to do the same thing here. I guess heating up makes it like a bit soft. I nailed it. This is crazy. So I'm gonna do the 4 corners. Okay. Last one. The last flap. I did it. This is fucking amazing. I love how the skin has texture. It's not flat. Look, you can see from the reflection as the light glares. Man, this is so worth my money. Yeah, I'm happy.